Hi there, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing some work in Midjourney, specifically looking at the Niji Model 5 and its 5 settings of default, expressive, cute, scenic and original. We're going to look at those with the same prompt, see what happens, what the outcome's like and where it takes us. Hopefully we'll have some fun with it and try some different prompts and see what happens. Anyway, thanks for popping in. Please don't forget to say hello, or if you've got any suggestions of anything you would like to see, pop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. That's us. Let's get on with it. Cheers. Okay, so here we go. These are the settings that I'm referring to. So if you type in settings, helps if you spell it right, and choose Niji Model 5 from in here. These are the settings I'm talking about. So we'll do it with the default setting first. I did create a prompt up here. So as it's manga, I've gone for Kung Fu. So art by Katsuhiro Otomo, 2 martial artists fighting, a manga and anime kung fu scene, martial arts, cinematic, depth of field perspective, awesome landscape, 3D render, and I've put the aspect ratio to 16:9. So this is default. Let's see what we get. Okay, so we got pretty awesome images straight away on the original, and these are in case you don't know, Katsuhiro Otomo, he was the creator of Akira, and these are very Akira based images. So let's try expressive style. Just copy and paste it. Let's see what we get this time. Okay, so again, some pretty awesome images. They are a bit different. This top one seems more cartoony. This seems to have it's almost like a different type of art. This one here is very different. But yeah, this one here looks more kind of splashy and big bold colour, but not as much detail. Whereas this one here looks like it's got more detail. So we'll go to cute style. I don't know what cute style is going to do. I know what I would expect it to do, make it more cuter, I guess. So maybe not as many adults in the images, because they all look like adults. Well, maybe not him. So I don't know really. I don't know how they're, because they look like adults to me. So I don't know how they're going to make it cute. So the cute one, I'm not really sure what. Well, I guess look, there's birds and the images look, you know, less violent. And that one there, he's got a smile on his face whilst fighting, so they're sparring. Yeah, they do. It looks more teenagery, more childlike. But again, that could just be me. Scenic style, so I would be hoping now for this to be more like landscape, getting a lot of scenic imagery in. So maybe even background of buildings or countryside, stuff like that. So yeah, it's kind of done exactly what I expected. It's much more scenic. We've got flying kung fu martial artists, but we've got the clouds and the mountains and the buildings in the background. Here we've got an environmental situation going on. It's like a small village or something with the sky and the trees and stuff. Here we've got a couple fighting on roofs, but we've got the town in the background and the mountains again, and here we've got the sky. So yeah, that kind of does what I expected it to do. Now I don't know what the difference is between original and default. Original and default kind of says the same thing to me, but we'll have a look and see if we can compare them. See if we can figure out what it is. I did ask in Midjourney support what the difference was, and I didn't get an answer, so let's see if we can figure it out. So the final one, original, yeah, it looks really good. It's really captured the prompt. Lots of martial arts stuff going on. It's even a bit scenic as well. There's a bit of scenery in there. It's a bit chaotic now, the difference between that and the first one. So it's not as cartoony as the first one, I wouldn't say. And it's got broader perspective, maybe. But it's difficult to say. It's definitely more adulty. You know, the images, the colours, the way that the splash colours are used, more than here. You know, all of this stuff here. So yeah, it's interesting. You've got these 5 options. And of course, I've just used martial arts and stuff because it's manga and anime in Japanese, and I thought it would find some cool stuff, but you can use it for anything. So, that's it for the Niji V5 styles. I hope you learned something from that. Make sure to subscribe for further videos coming up. I'm doing lots of Midjourney ones as well as the Night Cafe ones. So we'll see what's what. All the best. Take it easy.